Good morning, my dear parents. Thank you for supporting the online classes. Thank you. Hello, kids. How are you? I hope you are fine at home. Let's know about today. Come. What day today? Today is Friday. What date? Date is 5. Which month? Month is February. Month is February. Which topic we learned in last week? Topic is traffic signal. Let's recall it now. Come. Red means stop. Red means stop. Red means stop. Yellow means wait. Yellow means wait. Yellow means wait. Green means go. Green means go. Green means go. Where can you see the traffic signal? Yeah, on the road. Now, let's know how to be safe on the road. Come. Now, we are going to learn some safety rules. Come. What's this? This is zebra crossing. Zebra crossing marked with alternate black and white stripes on the road. Always cross on the zebra crossing. What's this? This is pavement. We should walk on pavement. What are they doing? They are playing on the road. Is it correct? No, we should not play on the road. We should wait for the vehicle to stop. We should not cross the road when the vehicles are moving. You should not go on the road alone. You always should go along with your parents. Let's sing the rhyme about road safety. Come. Walk with your mom, walk with your dad. Walk with your mom, walk with your dad. Hold their hands, hold their hands. When it's time to cross the road, when it's time to cross the road. Look for the sound of the cars on the road. Look for the sound of the cars on the road. You don't run to cross the road. You don't run to cross the road. Look for the zebra crossing code. Look for the zebra crossing code. Wait for the signal to be green. Wait for the signal to be green. Look left and right before you lean. Look left and right before you lean. These are the basic rules you see. These are the basic rules you see. These are the basic rules you see. You must follow them for your safety. You must follow them for your safety. You must follow them for your safety. Here they have given some pictures. We have to find which is right and which is wrong. Look at this picture. What is doing? He is walking on the pavement. Is he right? Yes, we should walk on the pavement. Look at this picture. What are they doing? They are using zebra crossing to cross the road. Are they right? Yes, they are right. Look at this picture. What is he doing? He is playing on the road. Is he right? No, we should not play on the road. Look at this picture. What are they doing? They are walking on the road. But are they right? No. This girl is walking on the pavement. She follows the rules. But this girl doesn't follow the rule. She is wrong. Look at this picture. What is doing? He is climbing up the stairs. Is she right? No. When we are climbing up, We should look forward to go. Look at this picture. What is doing? He is playing on the road. We must not play on the road. Look at this picture. Where are they walking? They are walking on the pavement. Are they right? Yes, they are right. It's time for book activity. Safety at home. Circle the unsafe objects. What's this? Ice cream. What's this? Blade. What's this? Ball. Which is unsafe object in this group? Yes, blade. Circle it. What's this? This is a dustpan. What's this? This is a toy. What's this? This is a switchboard. Which is unsafe object in this group? Yes, switchboard. Circle it. What's this? This is a pair of scissors. What's this? This is a cap. This is a fan. Which is unsafe object in this group? Yes, pair of scissors. Circle it. It's time for book activity. Safety on the road. Cross out the unsafe actions. What is he doing? She is walking on the road. Is he right? No. So cross it out. Next, what is he doing? He is playing on the road. Is he right? No. So cross it out. What is he doing? She is walking on the road when the car is moving. Is he right? No. So cross it out. What's he doing? He is walking on the pavement. Is he right? Yes. So we need not to cross it out. What's he doing? She is walking on the zebra crossing. Is he right? Yes. So we need not to cross it out. We should follow all the safety rules properly. Will you kids? Thank you.